Today I got here like at 8:30 in the morning, guys. So the largest order, you see, there's a lot of traffic still out there. The largest order in my entire 10-year donut career. So I got all this donut ready, packed already. Right now it's 9:30. Just finished my first round today. 9:30, guys, get ready. Oh. Hey guys, today is Saturday. This is the most amount of donuts I ever make in my 10 years as a donut baker. And I got here since 8 at night last night. And look at this, guys, look at this. And thank you to the customer. And thank you everyone. And yeah, and also make for the store as well. So yep, thank you everyone and happy Saturday. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm ready to deliver this. Look, the whole car packed. Alright guys, what a good day today. Got here around 6:30. So a little bit, 10 minutes early. So I'm going to deliver it to FedEx today. I do my own delivery today. Let's see how it's gonna open up. There you go. I'm here at FedEx. Let you guys see I set up on that table right there. Alright guys, all the delivery is done. I started since 8 p.m. last night. Now it's 6:30. As you can tell, I already dropped it off right there, guys. Look, it's set for 450 people. That's a lot of people. But yeah, thank you so much for today, and thank you FedEx. Thank you everyone for watching. I'm about to head back to the shop right now and do some cleaning and selling donuts. Back out this FedEx office. I'll let you watch how I back out. Cool, it opened by itself. Nice. So right now it's 6:40. 6:40. I'm heading back to the store. Get there about maybe 7 o'clock. See you guys.